Hi everyone, I'm going to share with you how to bake the easy and a simple double chocolate muffin. First ingredient, butter, followed by custard sugar. Next will be brown sugar. By using egg whisk, slow speed mix the butter and the sugar together. Next will be medium-sized egg. The weight of the egg is between 50 gram to 60 gram. By using slow speed to mix the ingredient, after that, speed up to create air bubble inside the batter. Next ingredient will be cake flour, baking powder, and cocoa powder. Gently and slowly mix all the dry ingredients together. Once the ingredient is mixed, the batter will turn to slightly sticky. The next ingredient to put on will be full cream milk. By using the same technique, gently and slowly mix the milk with the batter. Once all the ingredients mix, the batter will look shining and the texture will turn to smooth. The last ingredient to put on will be the chocolate chip as a filling. After the mix, pour the batter into the piping bag. Fill up the baking cup with the batter. No matter what size of baking cup that you are using, the amount of the batter is only 70% full of the cup. By putting chocolate chip as a topping of the double chocolate muffin. Remember, you have to preheat the oven before you bake the cake. Let it rest for 5 minutes time before you move the cake into the oven. By using 175 degrees Celsius and bake for 23 minutes. You might use the stick to insert into the cake to judge whether the cake is cooked. This is a very simple and easy step recipe. No experience needed. Anyone can make it. Hope everyone enjoy your baking time. Don't forget to subscribe us and share this video to your friends.